Hello there. In today's tech tip, I want to show you how to use voice to text feature that is in both Google Documents and Slides. Now this feature can come in handy for both students and teachers. For teachers, this can save you time when creating a worksheet or an assignment, but hear me out. It can even detect different languages and it will type that out as well, which is great for foreign language or your EL teachers. How cool is that? For students, voice to text is especially awesome for those whose typing skills may not be that great, and typing just slows them down and really decreases their motivation in working on an assignment. So this will allow the student to dictate their thoughts versus typing it out and hopefully get their assignment done quickly. To access this feature, let's take a look at this Google document and go to the Tools tab at the top and mouse down to voice typing. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut of Control-Shift-S. Now you will see this microphone icon. To activate your mic, just press the icon. If this is your first time using your microphone with your browser, you will get a notification stating that the microphone is trying to access the web page, and you will have to press allow in order for this feature to function. And let's give this a little test drive. Hello there. Let's check out this voice to text feature for the very first time. There may be a little latency in the processing, but as you can see, everything shows up just fine. I mentioned earlier that you also have the power to dictate different languages and have it typed out as well, as you can see in the menu. I'm going to go ahead and try Spanish right here. Hola, ¿cómo estás? And look at that. It typed it all out, including all the accent marks. Very nice. And there you have it, the power of voice to text in a nutshell. It can be used for both Google Docs and Slides. I hope you enjoyed this tech tip, and thank you for watching.